Chapter 1 Homeostasis, Lecture number 6 Urinary System of Man. So, key points are there. First of all, urinary system or renal system maintains homeostasis and acid base balance and blood pH in the body. Organs which are associated in urinary system are a pair of ureters, pair of kidneys, a bladder and a urethra. So first of all, kidney. Kidneys are blood purifier, bean shaped, located in abdominal cavity and in reddish brown color. And then ureter are about 25 to 30 centimeter long, connected anteriorly with kidney by a wide opening called renal pelvis and posteriorly with urinary bladder, and then urinary bladder. Urinary bladder stores half liter of urine in adults. And urethra has valves called sphincter that control flow of urine from bladder to urethra. And internal and external sphincter. Internal urethral sphincter regulates involuntary flow of urine from bladder to urethra, and external urethral sphincter regulates voluntary flow of urine from bladder to urethra. And furthermore, kidneys are located between T12 thoracic and lumbar 3 vertebrae. Kidneys are about 4 to 5 inches, almost size of fist. The right kidney is slightly below the left kidney, and left kidney is slightly larger and closer to the heart. Kidneys are surrounded by a tough connective tissue layer called renal fascia, and behind renal fascia it is renal capsule. Hilum serves as entrance of blood vessels, nerves, lymphatic vessels and ureters into the kidney. Outer region of kidney is called renal cortex and inner renal medulla. Renal capsule provide shape of kidney which surrounds renal cortex. Erythropoietin, a hormone which is necessary for synthesis of RBCs. Renal medulla is composed of 7 to 8 conical shaped masses called renal pyramids. Space between renal pyramids is called renal columns. And medulla region of kidney contains loop of Henle and collecting duct of nephrons, and urine enters in collecting duct, then flow towards hilum and collected by pelvis and ureter to remove from the body. So thank you.